Hello people, in this video I also modified shortcut keyboards. Sorry for this. My video. One of my loudspeakers causes my screen to disappear. Okay, let's get back to shortcuts. This is second part of this. I assign the cursor to selected, so in edit mode you can assign cursor to selected. In object mode, because you check this option, lock to cursor. It's very cool feature, so when you work on one of the objects you can focus on a certain area. I modified this. I had to remove one of the shortcut keyboards. I think this was to do with mesh. So I replaced keyboards. You have to modify shortcut keyboards. So after doing this, you can work as you like. Now I also did with knife. I press K instead left mouse button and K. I did the same with edge loops. Now I can use shift and double click left mouse button. I did the same with selection. When I press, I can select, deselect, which is very nice. It makes it easy for me to work with lots of objects. As you can see, cursor to selected can be now used by right mouse button instead. I think I find it quite useful, because sometimes it's hard to select objects when gizmo is here. You can use cursor to selected, and this really helps me a lot. And last selection, control and left mouse button, also really useful. It will be taking longer time for me to create nose, because nose is horrible to create. Nose is very hard to be modeled, but I should be okay. Don't forget right mouse button. I have to send updated shortcut keyboards. It's up to you how do you want to work, because some people prefer to use shortcuts, some people don't like shortcuts. It depends what type of person. But for me, I find it very useful. Oh no, backspace. I can see lots of interesting things when I use the backspace. Oh, this is beautiful. I didn't see menu. I didn't know about menu when I press backspace, which really makes me happy. Okay, I have to save my new keyboard presets for you. Export key configuration, all key maps. Where I find the cursor to selected, you go to view, not viewpoint, I think, align view, center view to cursor, right mouse I already assigned, but this won't work until you change settings. Before it was different settings. What I want to do now, I will check my shortcut keywords if they work, okay? User preferences, save settings. I have to overwrite all of them. I don't want to have too many of them. Now I have to click program. I have to save again. When you load send this to 7-zip, this is free archiver. This is free program for how to say in English, like WinRAR. Okay, now I will copy to my program. This is newest compilation, rendered 2.79 from December 2018. Resets, key config. Oh yes, I must check something to show you what I had to replace. Now I use right mouse button to view cursor to select it, but when I switch to old Maya, oh no, why it doesn't work? I will what if I reset everything? I have to check if what will happen if I load it to factory settings. Because I need to check, guys, if my shortcut presets will work without issue. Oh no, this is too many of this. First of all, Maya. Oh, I think it works. I wish I could keep my old reset to show you what I did. Oh, now mesh select mode it was before. You have to replace mesh select mode if you want to use align view. Center view to cursor. Where is numpad button? I always struggle to find numpad. I think this is small dot and control. I will check. Oh yes, this is that. Okay. No, I don't like this. This shortcut keyboard seems to be not working for me. I don't know if this is that shortcut keyboard. What you have to do when you replace, first of all, we will have to go to mesh select mode to get rid of this shortcut. Okay. Little bit, or I will choose right mouse. Key binding. I think this is called call menu. But we have to check call menu, and we have to get rid of this. So we will use the keyboard instead. Now you can see this is active. Okay, view, align view, center view to cursor. Okay, now let's check, and we have to select this. Lock to cursor. Now, as you can see, you can also change, wait a minute, 3D cursor. You can do the same with gizmo, so your gizmo will move as well. Now you only use the right mouse button. I will keep other presets, but I will export this without a name. Just auto display. But there is no edge or loop selection, so you won't use if you want, because when I press Control and wait a minute, I need to show you. Shift, it's not working because I didn't assign. When I switch back to my new created keyboards, which one? 2015, it will work because we already exported them. So now everything else is working, but your new created and exported keyboards will work. But remember, copy this to have a backup in your main folder. Okay, my video will be probably very long. What you have to do when you choose different presets, don't choose this one. You only choose Maya. You choose from here, because now program remembers which one was. But you cannot use loop selection because this is a completely different preset. I hope you like this video. This was part 2.